Good morning to each and everyone. Assalamualaikum. Mayong aga. Today, my vlog about again to traffic. Every day we coming this area is very traffic. You know, this time again. Here. This side. And also this side, this thing. So, we are still stop here in this side because they are waiting for go sign. And this one again, traffic here. Again, traffic there. Oh, see the other side there, over there, near the Caltex. We are now near the Caltex for the exit area. But still again, you see, because so many